it is possible to earn money through PayPal by simply viewing movies on YouTube. And this detailed video will bring you through the procedure step by step. You have the ability to earn up to $100 every day. And you can do all of this without leaving the comfort of your own home. Acquiring knowledge of the concept. It's possible that the idea of making money by viewing videos on YouTube would appear to be too good to be true for some people. It is a way that is legitimately utilized by a great number of people all over the world. The concept that underpins this strategy is based on the monetization strategies that content creators on YouTube have chosen to use, in conjunction with the innovative platforms that enable users to earn commissions through a variety of activities. Step 1. Accessing YouTube. Establishing a connection to the YouTube platform is the initial stage in this process. YouTube is a video sharing network that is well recognized all over the world and includes a big assortment of content that falls under a variety of categories. There are a multitude of films available for you to investigate, regardless of whether you have an interest in music, sports, gaming, or any other specific field. Step 2. Observing videos. Choosing a video to view on YouTube is the next step after you have achieved access to the platform. It is completely necessary to make sure that you watch at least 30 seconds of the video that you have selected. Certain monetization methods that content creators use typically require that they meet this viewing threshold in order to be considered eligible. Upon landing on the YouTube homepage, you'll be greeted with a curated selection of trending videos, recommended content based on your viewing history, and popular categories such as music, gaming, lifestyle, and more. Alternatively, you can use the search bar located at the top of the page to search for specific topics, keywords, or channels that you're interested in exploring further. Once you've identified a video that catches your eye, whether it's a captivating thumbnail, an intriguing title, or a recommendation from a trusted source, you can click on the video's thumbnail or title to access its dedicated page. Here, you'll find additional information about the video, including its description, upload date, duration, and view count. Before proceeding to watch the video, it's essential to ensure that it aligns with your preferences and meets any specific criteria you may have in mind. For example, if you're interested in learning about a particular topic, you may want to verify that the video covers relevant information and is presented in a clear and engaging manner. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you can initiate playback by clicking the play button on the video player. As the video begins playing, make sure to watch at least 30 seconds of its content. This viewing threshold is crucial for several reasons, particularly for content creators who rely on various monetization methods to earn revenue from their videos. Step 3. Getting paid. Soon after you have watched the video for the allotted amount of time, you will be able to start earning money. This is the place where the magic takes place. When you interact with the video that is hosted on YouTube, you are contributing to the viewership analytics of the site. These metrics, in turn, convert into earnings for the content creator as well as, in certain instances, the viewers themselves. In order to create faith in the integrity of this way of earning money, it is essential to present genuine payment proofs from individuals who have successfully made money through watching videos on YouTube. In order to provide concrete evidence of the prospective earnings that are associated with this method, these payment proofs are provided. There are a number of elements that can influence the potential earnings that can be made from watching videos on YouTube. These factors include the number of videos that are watched, the length of time that each video is played, and the monetization strategy that is utilized by the content provider. There is the possibility for individuals to make considerable amounts of money by watching many films on a daily basis. Step 4. Creating a YouTube account. Creating a YouTube account is recommended in order to make the most of this possibility to earn money that is currently available. The process of creating a YouTube account is a simple one that entails entering some fundamental information and agreeing to the terms of service that are associated with the platform. After you have created your account, you will have access to a variety of features and functionalities that will improve the quality of your viewing experience going forward. Step 5. Exploration of YouTube categories. Once you have created an account on YouTube, you will be able to explore the various categories that the site offers in order to find content that is specifically tailored to your interests. YouTube has a variety of content that may be explored, regardless of whether you have a specialty in music, sports, gaming, or any other area of interest. Step 6. Concentrate on popular video games. When it comes to optimizing your revenue, one successful technique involves concentrating on games that are currently trendy within the gaming category posted on YouTube. Games that see a boom in popularity typically draw a significant viewership, which presents spectators with profitable options to earn money from watching the game. When it comes to the gaming industry, live streaming videos offer a particularly promising opportunity to obtain financial gain. Opportunities for real-time involvement are provided by live streaming, which draw a big audience of viewers who are eager to connect with the content being broadcast. Viewers have the opportunity to earn commissions based on their interaction by taking part in live streaming and adhering to the prescribed viewing length. Step 7. Utilization of URL shortening services. Individuals can further increase their earnings by utilizing URL shortening services in addition to watching videos on YouTube. Videos can be found on YouTube. These services give users the ability to shorten URLs and earn commissions depending on the number of hits that are generated by the shortened links when they are used. In the process of URL shortening, lengthy URLs are converted into shorter links that are easier to read and manage. Not only does this procedure make the links more visually appealing, but it also makes it easier to share them across a variety of platforms, such as social media, online forums, and messaging apps. Step 8. Signing up for 7r6.com. 7r6.com is a well-known URL shortening service that consumers are able to make use of. The users of this site have the ability to shorten URLs and earn fees based on the number of clicks that are generated by the shorter links. A streamlined option for monetizing links is provided by 7r6.com, which features a UI that is easy to use and comprehensive tracking capabilities. All users of 7r6.com are required to first create an account on the platform before they can begin using the service. In most cases, the process of registering is uncomplicated and consists of supplying fundamental information like an email address, a username, and a password. When users have successfully registered, they are granted access to a dashboard that allows them to manage their shortened links and monitor their revenue. The process of shortening YouTube URLs in order to earn commissions is available to users once they have joined with 7r6.com. It is possible for users to build a shortened link that is ready to be shared by copying the URL of a YouTube video and then pasting it into the designated space on the dashboard of 7r6.com. Step 9. Sharing shortened links. The users can now begin sharing their shortened links across a variety of sites in order to maximize their revenue once they have completed the process. Social media sites, online forums, messaging applications, and email newsletters are some of the most common channels through which shortened URLs can be distributed around the internet. By implementing advertising techniques that will boost the exposure of their shortened links, users can further enhance their prospective earnings and increase their earnings potential. To accomplish this, it may be necessary to generate material that is interesting, to participate in online communities, and to make use of social media influencers in order to expand their audience. Step 10. Cash out your earnings. Following the accumulation of profits by users through their shortened links, users are able to proceed with the process of cashing out their earnings using the numerous payment alternatives that are provided by 7r6.com. There are a number of popular payment alternatives available, some of which are Payeer, Perfect Money, Web Money, and PayPal. In conclusion, persons who are interested in enhancing their income via the use of the internet have the possibility to earn money through PayPal by watching videos on YouTube and making use of programs that shorten URLs. Users are able to optimize their earning potential and achieve financial success in the digital sphere. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.